Now, let us take a look at lead and lag in project scheduling. Lead and lag in project scheduling. Let us look at lead. It is the amount of time by which a successor activity can start before its predecessor activity has finished. It allows an overlap between two dependent activities, meaning the second task can begin while the first one is still in progress. Lead time accelerates the start of the successor activity. Predecessor finishes. There is an overlap, and the successor starts earlier than the end of the predecessor. Lead is typically expressed as a negative lag in scheduling softwares. For example, a negative 2 days lag means a lead of 2 days. We are going to look at what lag also means. For example, in a construction project, if task A, that is installing windows, has a lead time of 2 days with respect to task B, painting walls, then painting can begin 2 days before window installation is completed. It means once the installation of windows begins, 2 days after that, the painting walls activity can also begin before the completion of the Windows installation. And in this case, the task A, which is Windows installation, will not be fully completed before the start of the painting. If we allow the Windows installation to finish before the starting of the wall painting, it means the project will take a longer time to finish. So the lead time tends to accelerate the start of the successor activity, and it leads to a faster completion of projects. Let us look at lag. Lag. The delay or waiting time inserted between a predecessor activity and a successor activity. It specifies that the successor activity cannot start until a certain amount of time has passed after the predecessor activity has finished. Predecessor finishes, there is a wait, then the successor starts later after a gap of time. The lag time postpones the start of the successor activity. So this can lengthen the project completion date. But most of the time, it is the nature of work that gives rise to the introduction of lag between activities. For example, if a task A, pouring concrete, requires 3 days to cure before task B, painting, can start, then there is a lag time of 3 days between the two activities.